This is Chris and Kevin's YouTube project, and our project is on fractals. Fractals are a relatively new concept in mathematics and science. A fractal is defined as anything that has self-symmetry. Fractals are patterns that feature geometric elements at even smaller scales to produce both similar and irregular shapes and surfaces. Such shapes are often self-similar and independent, and they have an independent scale.
Chris, show me an example of a fractal.
A mathematical fractal?
Yeah, a geometrical fractal.
This picture right here shows a big picture of a triangle, and you see all the other triangles, all the smaller triangles make the big picture, which means they have self-symmetry.
Alright. Fractals found in naturally occurring phenomena such as lightning and snowflakes take fractal forms because they provide structural efficiency. Plants like ferns and capillary patterns in skin have evolved fractal forms because they effectively exploit all the available space to maximize their functions. For example, this snow right here is a natural fractal because if you zoom into the snow, you can notice that it looks much like this. And as you notice, as you zoom in, you see the same pattern. Just keep going and keep going. This is the big pattern, and the little patterns, the little ridges, are the same symmetrical form as the bigger one.
And this is the coast of the whole lake, and a coast is an example of naturally occurring fractal, since it retains roughly comparable and similar appearing complexity at every level, from the view of a satellite to a microscopic examination of how the water laps up against individual grains of sand.
One may ask, what do fractals have to do with today's society? Well, fractals play a big part in technology. And in today's society, technology plays a big part. We are in the information age in which technology plays a big and huge part in the society. Today we're going to talk to you about how fractals affect our society.
I'm going to talk about fractal antenna technology. For example, like the company Fractus applies the space filling and multiple scale properties of fractal geometries to the development of fractal antennas for mobile telecommunication devices and infrastructure. This enables Fractus to produce maximum antenna performance and with minimum antenna space. The key benefits of fractal antenna technology are reduced antenna size, multi-band functionality, and improved antenna performance. Kevin is going to talk about the idea of fractal thinking. Kevin?
Alright, so fractal thinking comes into play in which we say, alright, so we have a body, and the body is a system, and our brain acts like our nucleus, and we have organs and whatnot that help create this function to live. Alright, now if we look into it, even our organs have a nucleus. They have a main system, and parts of the organs interact and work together to create the function. Keep going. We have inside the organs we have cells, and the cells also have a nucleus. And as you notice, you see the same pattern. It's the same type of system inside another system. The cells themselves also have atoms, and the atoms have the nucleus with the protons and the neutrons with the electrons around it. Everything goes around the center. Now, when you think about it, we are humans, but are we really just humans? Or are we part of a bigger system? And that's what fractal thinking is.